Here we can see all of the geothermal, part of the geothermal structure that's been set up. This is really quite a change because what we've got is we've got a system that is very eco-friendly. It's also very efficient and very effective. When things were turned on, it was amazing how the change happened quickly, and this is going to be much more efficient for us in terms of the cost structure for heating and cooling the building. Let's go through here and we'll show you the rest of the units. And we're in the basement, of course. And here are the units that are going to be operating the geothermal. What's amazing, of course, is all the wells have been dug, everything is set up now, and we're now functioning. So this is quite exciting for us.